Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CNBC to trade US30. First, understand that US30 represents the Dow Jones Industrial Average, a key benchmark of 30 large American companies. CNBC offers a wealth of information, from breaking news to in-depth analysis, crucial for informed trading. We will explore how to effectively leverage these resources to enhance your trading strategy for this significant index. This approach helps you make more confident and timely decisions. CNBC provides continuous live market coverage, offering immediate updates on events affecting the US30. Pay close attention to economic reports, such as inflation data or employment figures, which significantly influence the 30 component companies. Observing pre-market and after-hours trading can reveal early sentiment shifts. Quickly identifying breaking news, like corporate earnings or geopolitical developments, is vital for anticipating market movements and making timely trading adjustments. CNBC features numerous expert interviews, offering diverse perspectives on market trends and potential US30 movements. Pay attention to discussions on technical analysis, identifying key support and resistance levels, which are crucial for entry and exit points. Evaluate fundamental analysis of the 30 constituent stocks, understanding their financial health. Additionally, leverage CNBC sector-specific reports to gain deeper insights into industries influencing the overall index performance. Effectively combine the information gathered from CNBC with your established personal trading plan. Define clear entry and exit points for your US30 trades, perhaps aiming for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Always implement strict risk management, such as setting stop-loss orders at 1% of your capital per trade. Continuously review and adapt your trading strategy based on market feedback and your performance, ensuring ongoing improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.